Yo, what is up? So I'm feeling very accomplished and superior to other mere mortals because I woke up without the aid of an alarm at the exact same time I wanted to wake up. Oh my god. It's one of the few things that brings me so much joy if you know me, and it's yet to become a habit. I know. But I take full pleasure in knowing that I'm very close. Even though sadly today I woke up by 10 past 10 actually, with an alarm. Short-lived dream, I tell you. Anyway, I then reluctantly transport myself into the bathroom where I brush my teeth and empty my bowels, which took a little bit longer than needed to be. And I have shown you that before, so as a general screen, I won't have you labeled through that. Now I'm just taking my coffee, doing my little morning. A lot of coffee actually, more than one cup, but it's an unhealthy amount. Didn't I tell you? So as I was trying to get through my little morning ritual, my friend called me. That day I was actually trying to set you up, guys, because I was trying to vlog. I haven't vlogged in a long time. So we were talking and talking about the tragedy that is 2020, laughing through our sorrows. 2020 is like a child that isn't yours, but that insists on staying at your place and having you take care of it. It's just a horror story. Continuing to talk to her, then I got another call which I was dreading, so I had to wait for it to end. When you get that call, I have to wait for it to end. Now all that's left for me is just get to work, right? But my brain starts whispering, come on now, sis, I know you've got more procrastination and you don't let me down. You know you can do this. You are the master of procrastination. After you now, who? Now you, okay? I'm like, fine, okay. But just because you said after me now, because girl, you right, after me now. Exactly. But brain, okay, just maybe one episode on Netflix. That's it. No more. I'm fine, okay. The minute I get on Netflix somehow ends up having me go to YouTube, before I know it, I'm in the deep vortex. And how YouTube can just suck you in. And I know actually I have hit my darkest hour when I begin to justify my being on YouTube by saying I'm watching all this productivity content, telling myself it's okay, I'm learning. Hours later, I'm in the same spot, tired from watching all of this productivity content on YouTube. Now my brain is tired. I need to go on and sleep. Like I say, fine, 30 minutes, just 30 minutes brain, okay? 30 minutes nap turns into 2 hours or more actually. And then I finally get to bribe my brain into waking up, and I realize I have somehow managed to useless the majority of that day. You all know journaling is very important to me, so I go on to journal. It's a mindful practice that I've been practicing for a while, and it just helps reduce brain fog. And Lord knows, with 2020 I've got a lot. And I also have exams. Webrow has it. This place, roundabout, this Shenkafi Road. Exactly, to be easier for you. After much negotiations, I bribed my friend to bring me jollof rice from Chicken Republic because I was currently craving it and I couldn't go out. I just sat there to read. I wanted to just cool off, but I kept getting interrupted. I'm just cold, so I'm calling him back on video call. So I guess this has to wait. My book has to wait a little bit longer. Not going. So Mama did not pick, so I just decided to go on Twitter and continue protesting online. Now Mama is calling me back. They can't even hear you. Hi. Oh, actually, I could see it like that. Yo, Dave Chappelle is my favorite celebrity of all time. So when I saw this, I obviously had to continue watching Netflix. And then my friend called me that my food is ready, went downstairs and I got it. And I came back up, entered my room. I was very excited. Opened and continued watching Dave Chappelle and Dave Letterman. I loved the interview so much. Study time. I study around right now. I wasn't going to study today. I was going to learn tomorrow. But then I saw some people talking about, I just want to be prepared. I don't want any, problem. And I will do a few hours of studying. Then I'll read a book. And then I'll speak to my loved ones. And then I'll sleep. So yeah, my laptop had an issue, so currently I have to study with my phone. I do everything. Let me show you. See? So I literally go, it's my lesson note, it's my everything. I literally do everything with my phone. So what happens is I use this. As you can see, it's basically a lot of stuff inside here. So I use it to just, pick out the points. See, so writing. I use it to pick out the points that I need, and ruminate on those, and then just get to studying. So I get to studying. I have 2 papers on 23rd, and today is the 28th. I've been studying a little bit, and I just want to revise and some more right now. Then I'll get back to doing that. Basically, how my life is, and then also I'll get back to protesting online like I've been doing all this while. I've been stuck at home since the protest started, so I literally can't do anything but online. So I have just been, studying online. Hang on, let me get my drink. So yeah, I've just been protesting at home, crying. Even this evening I cried my eyes out. God, a video of a guy that was dying and his mom was crying literally while I was holding him, and it's all too familiar when you read history books. And I'm currently reading this book. It's my new read. I'm getting it up with everything. So literally seeing that and reading a lot and understanding what's going on, it just really breaks my heart because it is all too familiar. And I don't know, we're in a stage right now where if you don't hear from your loved ones, you're panicking. This is just a lot. We're going through it, and the emotions are heightened. Everybody is feeling the heat, and there's absolutely nothing that anyone can do about it but protest and protest and pray and pray and pray. If you do believe in anything, please pray. We all need it. We're going to need it. And at the same time, you still gotta study. So yeah, I'll just get back to it. This right here is a lifesaver. It has been keeping me awake for everything. God, I love this drink. Finally resumed reading my book before I went to sleep. This book is so informative, so educative. I absolutely recommend everybody should read it. It's a fantastic book. It's called Soldiers of Fortune. You can get it at Rovingheights, but I'll leave it in the description box.